Hello everyone, this is Padmaja Naik. Today I discuss about the plant families. The world where we all are living is surrounded with different kinds of plants. It is not easy to know all about them, so they are classified into different families. I have made it so short that you can recall it very easily. Now let's move on to the topic. These are the families. First is the Poaceae. Examples are the grass family, Oryza sativa, Triticum aestivum. Vegetative character, annual herb, shrub, adventitious roots, stem, node and internode, leaf, simple, alternate, sessile and parallel venetion. First you remember the floral symbols, then you can make the floral formula. And also the morphological appearance, leaf, alternate, parallel or reticular venation, then the actinomorphic zygomorphic flower, then the inflorescence is the spikelet, flower sessile, unisexual, bisexual, bracteate, bracteolate, hypogynous or zygomorphic. Calyx, represented by 2 to 3 lodicules. Lodicules means a small green or white scale below the ovary of a grass flower. Grass flower means the Poaceae family. Androecium 3 stamen, Gynoecium carpel 3 tricarpellary, ovary superior, placentation basal, fruit caryopsis. Pollination is the wind pollination means anemophily. Seed is endospermic, this is the floral formula means bracteate, bracteolate, zygomorphic, bisexual, perianth 2 to 3, Androecium 3, Gynoecium, this is the superior ovary, symbol means the superior ovary. Then comes to Fabaceae. These are the Pisum sativum, vegetative character, annual, perennial, herb, shrub tree, fibrous taproot which are helpful in nitrogen fixation, formation of the nodules. Stem, herbaceous, cylindrical, leaf, alternate, compound. Inflorescence, racemose or cymose, flower, bracteate, actinomorphic, zygomorphic, hypogynous or perigynous. Calyx 5 to 4 imbricate, corolla 5 to 4 imbricate estivation. Androecium polyandrous, didelphous anther, Gynoecium carpel 1, semi-superior ovary, placentation marginal, fruit, legume, pollination is the entomophily insect pollination, seed, non-endospermic, floral formula. This is the floral formula. To Malvaceae. This is the Hibiscus rosa sinensis, Althea rosea, with the vegetative character, annual, perennial, tree, hibiscus, taproot, stem erect, branches, then the leaf alternate, reticulate venation, inflorescence solitary or cymose, flower bracteate, bracteolate, epicalyx, this is the epicalyx condition, bisexual, actinomorphic, hypogynous, calyx 3 to 5 valvate estivation, corolla 5 imbricate estivation, Androecium monodelphous, Gynoecium syncarpous, placentation is the exile. Fruit is the schizocarp or knot, pollination is the insect pollination, seed, non-endospermic, this is the floral formula. Then comes to Cruciferae. These are the mustard family, vegetative character, annual, perennial, taproot, stem erect and branched, leaf simple, alternate and reticular venation, inflorescence racemose or cymose, flower ebracteate, pedicellate, actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous flower, calyx sepal 4 polysepalous, imbricate estivation, corolla petal 4 polypetalous, valvate estivation. Androecium is the stamen 6 polyandrous, tetradynamous, Gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpous, superior ovary, placentation parietal, fruit silicio, pollination is the entomophily insect pollination, seed endospermic, floral formula. This is the floral formula. Ebracteate, this is the actinomorphic, bisexual, this is the floral formula. Then comes to the Lamiaceae. These are the mint family, vegetative character, perennial, annual, aromatic oils, taproot, stem erect. You have to remember In the Lamiaceae family, oil glands are present, glandular hair, aromatic oils. Inflorescence is the cymose or solitary, axillary, flower, bracteate, bracteolate, complete, hermaphrodite, zygomorphic or hypogynous, corolla sepal 5, gamosepalous, valvate or imbricate estivation, corolla petal 5, valvate or imbricate estivation, androecium stamen 4, didynamous epipetalous condition, gynoecium syncarpous bicarpellary, superior ovary, nectar secreting disc. You have to remember nectar secreting disc present in the family Lamiaceae. Fruit schizocarp or drupe, pollination insect pollination, seed non-angiospermic. This is the floral formula. Then comes to Asteraceae. This is the largest family. Herbs are 3. Oil duct and milky sac are present in Asteraceae. In the Asteraceae, 2 floret. Outer or peripheral is the ray floret. Inner or central is the disc floret. Inflorescence is the racemose. Flower bracteate, sessile, actinomorphic, bisexual or unisexual. Calyx sepal 5, corolla petal 5, androecium stamen 5, syngenesious condition. Then gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpous, inferior ovary, placentation basal, fruit cypsela, pollination entomophile insect pollination, seed non-angiospermic. This is the floral formula. So I have made it so short. So here this is the end. Hope you all like it. Do like and subscribe and wait for my next video. Thank you.